Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. So the AGIX chart is currently still seen unchanged. So I'm still counting the move up of the November lows as a wave 1, basically a 5-wave move with an extended 5th wave. And then I'm looking at all this choppy price action to the downside as correction, as an A, B, C structure. Obviously we had an A wave in the A wave, a B wave and a C wave to complete this larger A wave, which bottomed on the 10th of March. Then a 3-wave move to the upside in a B wave. And we could now be coming down in this C wave. That's currently the expectation. The idea currently is that the C wave is unfolding still. I have no evidence, that this is bottomed already. Ideally, it would have, because it reached the target, the next target. Highlighted to you in the previous videos that, this move up was a clear 3-wave move. So I was very skeptical about further movements to the upside and told you that one more low would be pretty likely. That low happened actually below the 3rd wave, so below the 22.7 cent level. And the next target below that was obviously our 17.3 cent level, the 78.6 retracement. And that was reached. But I couldn't ever give you, and I still can't, give you any strong evidence that this has bottomed, unfortunately. So I need to see an impulse to the upside, followed by a 3-wave move to the downside before indicating that. We have a bit of a reaction now, of course, to that support area, to that fib level, but it's not strong enough to really have, to have strong evidence, right? I mean, in the first instance, I would want to see a break above, the level where the volume sell-off started. That was here at, let me see, it's that candle here actually, basically at a minimum above 23 cents, but better would obviously be above the wave 4 high of 33.4 cents to have evidence that price has bottomed. It can find support here in this region, but the last reliable bullish support level is 17.3 cents. Unfortunately, I have no evidence or no strong evidence that it has bottomed, so it might very well go lower. Next support level below the 17.3 cent level is here, structural support around the previous wave 4 low. We talk here though about the area around 16 cents, so it's not even much lower. Below that level, the next fib level is 10.9 cents. And because it's adhering so well to the fib levels, as you can see, it came down to the 78.6 fib level totally accurately, and it reacted. So there's a good chance it will react to the 88.7 fib level as well in one way or another if it breaks below the 78.6 fib level. So the trend is still down. It really needs to show a first decent impulse, and a 3-wave pullback hasn't done that yet, okay? So looking at the microstructure, there are 2 possibilities. Okay, there are a few more, but I've got 2 that I mainly follow, okay? So the first one is obviously that we're looking for a 5-wave move down in wave 5 here. And let me see, we would say that there is a chance that we had a small 1-2 setup here, or actually the wave 2 was small, a 3-4, and a long wave 5, So this makes absolute sense, even though it's not ideal from a, gets such a long wave 5 and a shorter 3rd wave. 1 second, let me adjust that. The 3rd wave in this 5th wave though is not the shortest one, so it's a valid count. And in this scenario, as you can pretty much clearly see, in the 5th wave, we also only have 3 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe the wave 5 is ongoing, but it looks like the wave 4 is still ongoing, right? And that would take us lower. In another interpretation, I'm looking at the wave 5 as an ending diagonal, and we had the wave 1 here, the wave 2 here, the wave 3 here, the wave 4 here, but it would also suggest another low. I like this count actually a little bit more because it seems, more logical looking at the proportions. In that case here, most likely in an ending diagonal, most likely the wave 5 would be shorter than the 3rd wave. So I'm still looking for the option of a turnaround in this area now, because I believe it will break below the 78.6 fib level at present, unless it can really show me a rally and an impulse. Well, we could say, again, at least around 23 cents. Looking at this structure here, the wave 2 high getting above that level would also increase probabilities that the bottom is in at 27.8 cents. But yeah, I think this is the count I go for, wave 5 as an ending diagonal, but would still suggest a little lower into the area between 10.9 and 17.3 cents, possibly with a turnaround around 16 cents. Yeah, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.